Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by replacing the problematic audio file. Do it now. First, confirm the file format. PowerPoint prefers WAV or MP3. Convert any M4A or uncommon codec to MP3 to avoid decoding errors. Once done, remove the embedded clip that fails, but save a backup of your PPTX. Then use Insert Audio on my PC to add the new file. Make sure to choose Start Automatically or on click, depending on your timing. This prevents old playback settings from persisting. Once the new file is inserted, you handle timing and compatibility. Set playback options. Play across slides when audio must span the deck, or select Start on click for precise cues. Then compress media from File Info Compress Media to force PowerPoint to transcode to a consistent codec and reduce file size. This often fixes stuttering or drift. After compression, test and slide show view and with headphones. Make sure volume levels and slide transitions remain in sync on the target machine. Finish by embedding and validating the result. Exporting the presentation as an MP4 embeds audio permanently and reveals runtime issues, so use File Export create a video with the original timings. Also save a fresh copy of the PPTX to repack resources. If problems persist, troubleshoot. Re-encode the audio to 128 kbps MP3 or WAV to eliminate codec mismatches. And try opening PowerPoint in safe mode to disable add-ins that interfere. If nothing helps, replace the slide audio with a short test tone to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.